In this section, we will discuss about Workspace. So let's start learning. I'm opening my web application. Now you can see our Frappe ERP Next Workspace. Here you can see different modules available in Frappe and ERP Next. If we open accounting module, you can see different doc types and reports available in accounting module. Now I am going to add our programming module into this module list, and we will create a workspace for our programming module. Let's see how we can add a module workspace. I am opening build, then go to workspace. Here we can see different workspace available in ERP Next and Frappe. Let's add a new workspace here. I am adding a name programming. Workspace. Then my module is programming module. Let's select programming module from this list. Next we can select different category here, because if you go to home page, you can see different categories. Our first category is modules, then next is domain, then administration. So I am selecting module category. I am not adding any icon or onboarding here. I just check on this e-standard checkbox. Then let's add some shortcut to this workspace. I am adding a label shortcut. Then let's add some shortcut here. The first type is doc type, and it will link to my normal doc type. Let's select normal doc type here. Then label is also normal doc type. Then let's add a second shortcut. This is linked to our submittable doc type. Then let's select submittable, and I'm also adding the name submittable doc type here. I'm adding one more shortcut, and this shortcut to our single doc type. Then let's add a name single doc type, and let's click on the save button. And now we successfully created our programming workspace. Let's go back to home and reload this page. Now we can see our programming workspace just below the payroll, and if we open this, we can see our three shortcuts. Let's click on the normal doc type, and it will go to the normal doc type list. We can create normal doc type from here, and if you go back to programming workspace, the second shortcut is submittable doc type, and if you click on that, we can see the submittable doc type list view, and third one is single doc type, so it will directly go to the single doc type view. So this is how we can add workspace in Frappe and ERP Next. Now let's see how to add different link cards to this workspace. Let's go to build, then open workspace. Let's open our programming workspace. Here we can see a section called link cards. I am adding a label link cards here. Then we can create a link card using this table. We can add a first link card to this normal doc type. Then the label should be normal, and let's add one more link here to submittable doc type, and the label should be submittable doc type. Just copy that label and paste it here. Let's save the document. Let's go back to home page and reload the page. Let's open programming workspace from module list. And now we can see our first link card with two links. And first one is linked to normal doc type, and it will show the normal doc type list view. And second one is go to submittable doc type. And here we can see submittable doc type list view. Here we can also add multiple link card to this workspace. So let's add one more link card here. I'm going back to build and workspace, then open programming workspace, then let's add a new row, then let's put a card break here, and let's add a label link to here, then save this and add a new row. Here I am adding a link to our single doc type. Label should be single doc type, then save this, then go to home page, then reload the page. Open programming workspace, and here we can see two cards, and in first card we can see two links, and in second we can only see the link to single doc type.